Good afternoon, students. How are you all? And you all are very good. So, welcome back to our mathematics class. Okay? So, once say the spelling of mathematics. M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Mathematics. Once again say M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Mathematics. Okay, children. What we learned in previous class? Did you remember? Yes. We learned ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Simply this one only. No. If we are given one number, means 239. 239. So first place is called ones place. Means how many ones are there? 9 ones. Next, second one is 3. 3 is 10th place. What is that? 10th place. So next, second 2. 2 is 100th place. 2 number is 100th place. So now we are reading 239. How to read? 239. In previous class we learned this one. Today also that one only continues. Take it your textbook. Turn on page number 20. Turn on page number 20. 3-digit numbers. T-H-R-E-E-3 digit. D-I-G-I-D. 3-digit numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. 3-digit numbers. Once again say 3-digit numbers. So in previous class we learned this cards. This 100 cards. This card. This is also card has 100 holes. How many holes? 100 holes. Next, this card has 3 rows of 10 holes. 3 rows of 10 holes. Each is equal to 30. Next, this card has 6 holes. How many holes? 6 holes. And given some pictures, exercise part. Exercise part. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E. Exercise. Next. Fill in the blanks. F-I-L-L-P I-N-E-T-H-E the box. Fill in the box. See children, they are given some cards. They are given some cards. Each card has 100 holes. Means like the dots are there now. So these are called holes. We are using holes. So now let us draw on the board how many cards are there. Now I am going to write on the board. See here. One card. Show me with your fingers how many cards are there in 100 place. Show me with your fingers. How many cards are there? Show me with your fingers. Very good. 4 cards are there. How many cards are there, children? 4 cards. Now, each card has how many holes? Each card has 100 holes. 100, 100, 100, 100. Yes or no? Next. This card has 10th place. What is this? 10th place. Dash hundreds. Next. Dash tens. This one ones. Already we draw hundreds cards. Next, tens places. Tens places there has 100 cards. 100 holes. 100 holes. Means 10 tens places. 10 tens. See, for example, in your textbook is there now. So there are 10 rows are there. Each row has 10 holes. Did you understand, children? There are 10 rows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows are there. Each row has 10 holes. 10 rows and each row has 10 holes. Did you understand? And this is also like that only. See, this card also has 100 holes. This card also has 100 holes. So means we should write tens places. How many tens are there? How many tens are there? Yes. 10 tens. How many tens are there? 10 tens. Yes. How many hundreds are there? Show with your fingers. 4 hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 4 hundreds. Means 4 cards are there, no? So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many hundreds are there? 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds. Next, here are the 100 holes. Means 10 tens. 10 tens. Next, ones place. 1, 2, 3. Here how many holes are there? 1, 2, 3. How many holes are there? Show me with your fingers. How many holes are there? 3 holes. Very good. How many holes are there? 3 holes. So means 3 ones. It means by 3 ones. Now the number. Now we should write the number is. The number is. Second. 400 means 400. 400 means 400. And next 10 tens is equal to children. 10 tens is equal to how many hundreds? 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 tens is equal to 100. 100. Next, how many ones are there? How many ones are there? Show with your fingers. Very good. 3 ones are there. 3 ones are there. So now, see, 400 and 100. 10 tens is equal to 100. Add 3. So total which number comes? 400 and 100 is equal to 400 and 1 more 100. 400 and 100. So total how many hundreds? 500. How many hundreds are there, children? 500. Next, 500 and 3 is equal to 503. 503. Did you understand, children? 503. Okay, write in your textbook. Next. Did you complete? There are 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one card has 100 holes. How many holes? 100 holes. So we should write 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Hundreds. Next. Next count. How many tens are there, children? So means how many rows are there? Tens rows. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. How many rows are there? 3. 3 rows. How many rows are there? 3 rows. Each row has 10 holes. Each row has 10 holes. So, how much number is come? Each row has 10 holes. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. So, the number is 30. 3 tens. 3 tens. Next. Dash tens. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1. So, this is a ones place. This column has tens place. This column has hundreds place. Okay. Now we should write how many hundreds are there. Let's count. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. How many hundreds are there? 600. Next. 3 tens. How many tens are there? 3 tens. Yes. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ones are there? 9. So 600 means 600. 3 tens is equal to 30. Next 9 ones. So total 639. 639. The number is 639. The number is 639. Okay, children? If you have any doubts, okay, next remaining third and fourth problem. See here, third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 cards are there. Next, tens card is there. Ones card also is there. So you will do count and write the number here. Okay, children, count and write the number. Third one, next, fourth one. These two homework. Okay, can you do this one? If you have any doubts, raise your hand. Can you do? Okay. Later. Fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes with correct numbers. With correct numbers. Correct numbers. See children, fill in the blank boxes with correct number. First, 132. What is this number? 132. So in this 132, what we write? How many hundreds? Plus how many tens? How many tens? How many ones? How many ones? See here, 132. What is this number? 132. Now we should write which number is there in ones place, which number is there in tens place, which number is there in hundreds place. Let's see the number 132. So first in ones place is number 2. Next tens place 3. Tens place 3. Hundreds place 1. So the number name is 132. 132. So now let me see which number is there in ones place. Show me with your fingers. Which number is there? Show me with your fingers. Ones place. I am asking ones place. Which number is there? Yes, 2. Very good. And which number is there in tens place? What is the number in tens place? Show with your fingers. Very good, Alikya and Harshita. Very good. Next, which number is there in hundreds place? Show me with your fingers. Vinit, Rakshit, very good. Karthik. Yes, in hundreds, ones place, number 2, tens place, 3, hundreds place, 1. So the number name is 132. 132. Next. $759. How many hundreds? How many tens? How many ones? See here, 759. 759. So which number is in ones place? 9 is ones place. 5 is tens place. Number 7 is hundreds place. Number 7 is hundreds place. Do you understand, children? 9 is ones place. 5 is tens place. 7 is hundreds place. 9 ones is equal to 9. 5 tens means 50. We learned in previous classes in abacus. Yes or no? In abacus also we learned 5 tens is equal to 50. Next, 700. 700 is equal to 700. So which number is there in ones place? Show me with your fingers. Which number is there in ones place? Which number is there? 9. Very good. Next, which number is there in tens place? Which number is there? Very good. 5. Next, which number is there in hundreds place? 7. 700. Next, 481. 481. Hundreds. Tens. Ones. See children, listen. 481. So which number is in ones place? 1. Now 8 is tens place. 100 is 4 is hundreds place. So now I am asking question. How many ones are there in 481? How many ones are there in the number 481? Show me with your fingers. I am seeing your videos. How many ones are there in this number? Very good. 1. Next. How many tens are there in this 481 number? How many tens are there? Very good. 8 tens means 80. How many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? 400. Very good. 400. Next. 975. What is this? 975. So, how many hundreds are there? Next. How many tens? How many ones? See here. Now, 975. What is this number, children? 975. In this number, how many ones are there? Show me with your fingers. How many ones are there? Very good. Most of the children did you see me? How many ones are there? 5 ones. How many ones are there? 5 ones. Next. How many tens are there? How many tens are there? 7 tens. How many tens are there? 7 tens. Means 7 tens is equal to 70. How many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? 900. Next. 398. 398. Next. 1. See here. 398. In this number, how many ones are there? 398. How many ones are there? Very good. 8 ones. How many tens are there? How many tens are there? 9 tens. How many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds. 3 hundreds. Write in your textbook. Write neatly. Are you clear the board, children? All are seen properly? Keep on your videos. See, once listen, children. Did you buy the book? White long notebook. I told with you already last week. Did you buy the book? White long notebook. Okay. So now I'm showing one pen notebook. You also write like that only neatly. Today I will give only one page. Okay, children. Today I will give only one page. You will write neatly. See here. Unit 1. First one is Unit 1. And you must draw margins. Okay, now you first draw side line and bottom line also. See this one, this one. First you draw margin. After then you will write the numbers. Unit 1. Write numbers from 1 to 100. Write numbers from 1 to 100. You learned in first. You learned in first unit 1 to 100 numbers, number names. Yes or no? So you will write this one only today. 1 to 100. See, I will send pic. You also write neatly like this only. Okay, children. 1 to 100. If you are not buy the book, today you will buy one long notebook and start the Phanos. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, children.